To create a new project with Unity Hub, first open Unity Hub. Then in the Project tab, click the New button or the arrow next to New. The arrow will allow you to select which installed version of the Unity editor you wish to use with this new project, whereas the New button will just use the latest version you have installed. Both of these options will then open a new window where you can enter the name of your project and choose the location where you want this project to be created. You can also select a template for your project. The most common templates are 2D and 3D. Finally, to create this new project, click on Create. This will then close Unity Hub and begin the setup process for your new project. This may take a few minutes, but once it is done, the Unity editor will open and you will be ready to begin creating your new game.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, then leave them in the comments below. Also, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can be up to date with all our latest videos. In fact, there's a couple videos right over here that you might enjoy.